In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use custom templates in draw.io. By the end, you'll start a new diagram built from a custom template so your canvas opens with the exact layout, styles, and elements you expect. First, open draw.io. Once the editor loads, you should see the menu bar across the top and an empty canvas or your current diagram in the center. If a diagram is already open, that's fine. The steps will create a new one without changing what you have. Next, click File, then New. This opens the new diagram window. You'll see a gallery where you can choose from available templates instead of starting from scratch. If the window takes a moment to appear, just wait. This is where templates are managed in draw.io. Now click Template. This switches the view into the template selector so you can browse what's available. Here on this screen, you'll typically see categories on the left and a grid of template thumbnails on the right. You might also see a search box and preview pane depending on your version. The key is that you're now in the area where templates are chosen for new diagrams. From here, select Custom Template. Scroll through the categories or the grid to find your custom template. It may appear under a Custom or My Templates section, or it might be listed alongside other categories if it was added to your environment. Click the template once to highlight it. A preview or description may appear so you can confirm it has the shapes, layers, and styles you expect. Take a moment to verify the thumbnail and name match what you intend to use to avoid starting from the wrong layout. Once that's done, click Create. A draw.io will generate a new diagram from your selected custom template and open it on the canvas. You should now see all preset elements from the template, such as page size, default styles, color schemes, and any starter shapes, ready for you to edit. This action creates a fresh diagram based on the template and does not alter any existing files. At this point, your new diagram is live and fully editable. You can immediately select shapes, replace placeholder text, and continue building on top of the structure your custom template provided. If you need to confirm you're using the correct template, look at the initial shapes and formatting. They should match the preview you saw before clicking Create. If they do, you're set. That's it. You've successfully used a custom template in draw.io by opening the app, going to File and New, switching to the template view, selecting your custom template, and creating the new diagram. Your template is now applied and working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.